Hey there, my fellow stackers. How y'all been? Checking in with you, seeing what kind of projects you're working on. What kind of wins are you stacking? Today, I'll tell you a little bit about the stack I did yesterday. It was pretty cool because I feel like it's a double stack because I did some work and then got a benefit from it. So usually I talk a little bit about like our health, our finances, and I'm going to talk about finances a little bit because I went out and advertised. I put out some door knockers to advertise my business in the area that I target, but I let my daughter help me and she got paid. This way, I get to keep the money in my household and, she doesn't file a tax return, so there's not going to be any taxes on that money she made, but it keeps it in the household. So now it's one less time she has to ask me for money, and then she learns how to earn money, and she learns a little bit about my business, which I love. So I feel like it's a double stack, maybe a triple stack because I got my work done, paid my daughter, and kept the money in the household, and then she gets to learn a little bit about business. And a lot of people are afraid of taxes because you're like, oh, I lose money because I have to pay taxes. But if you know how the tax system works, you know that it can work in your benefit and actually save you money. And one of the ways is by employing your minor child. So you can pay your minor child, keep the money that, your business money in the household, and then they don't have to file a tax return and get taxed on it. I will still report it as, hey, I had to pay somebody, so I get a benefit from there tax wise because I have to pay out money, but it doesn't get taxed again and it stays in our household. So I love that. And I got this information from CPA named Mark Kohler, Kohler. I watch him on YouTube, love him. I also read his book, What Your CPA Isn't Telling You. Highly recommend the book. It's very good. In fact, I read the book and then I started watching him on YouTube. I didn't even realize it was the same person, but I really like his stuff. Good information, even if you're not doing your own taxes, which I don't because mine's way too complicated, you want to be knowledgeable about your taxes. That way you know that things are being done right and somebody's really taking care of you. Just know the basics and you don't have to know every detail, but be knowledgeable. And that's your money. That's your money. You're either paying it or you're not. And any chance I can figure out how to not pay my money and keep my money in my household, I'm going to be doing that. So, I mean, above board, of course. But anyway, so I feel like it's a stack. I feel like it's a double or triple stack, depends on how you look at it, but I really feel good about that one. And so you can too. See how you can save money by, you dual purposing things or find those tax savings in your life and then let me know how you're doing. See you on the next one. Stack those wins.